Hey friends, welcome back to Live Free and Tool. And today we are going to take a deep dive into everything Ryobi that has happened in the month of June of 2023. We're going to take you through all the new tools that have been released and all the sales that are currently going on. The reason why we're doing it for June is because in June they have Ryobi days. What does that mean? You're going to get some crazy good tool deals for some awesome prices. So first and foremost, let's go through the deals and then we're going to check out the brand new tools. So as we take a look at the main page, we are on Ryobi Tools USA main page, and if we look, Shop Ryobi Days. Now they have a very awesome interactive website here, and if we just take a quick look, you can see all the displays. Now these are the actual displays that you're going to see in the stores. They have two main sales going on. This sale on the left that I'm circling right here, this is the $99 2 battery and a charger deal, and you get a free tool right over here. Now this is two 4 amp-hour batteries and a regular charger for $99. Once you buy that, you get one of these awesome tools. Now you can get some of the cleaning products. Like if we click here, you're going to see that this is the cleaning scrubber. If we click over here, this is the oscillating tool. Let's go ahead and click here. These are the batteries. You get an impact driver right there. You have a reciprocating saw. You've got circular saws right there. You've got routers over here. You've got the jigsaws. Now check this out. You will also have the angle grinder. Isn't that awesome? Now, this is the basic toolkits. These are the non-brushless tools. But if we take a look to the right of the screen, this is the big sale. 3 batteries, a 6 amp-hour, 4 amp-hour, and 2 amp-hour HP intelligent batteries with a charger. And pairing up with that, you get an HP tool. Why is this important? Because HP is the highest and most advanced tools that they have. This is the drill driver. This is an awesome drill driver. I'm telling you, I have it and it's great. Right here, this is what you want. This is the 600 foot-pound impact wrench, bad to the bone tool. You've got the SDS 18 volt, awesome. And this is the hammer drill right here. I love it. Right here, this is the 7 1/4 circular saw. Super powerful, super great. Scrolling down, because these aren't the only sales that you're actually going to see. You're going to see some overviews, but if we keep looking, new lower price. What does that mean? Well, you're going to get a kit. Check this kit out, $159, 4 tools, light, circular saw, drill driver, and impact driver. This is a great kit because you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tools and a charger and a 4 amp-hour battery and a 2 amp-hour battery with that with a bag. That's actually really good deal. Now looking at those deals, you can see why I'm so excited about it. You get so many tools, so much good stuff. A lot of times, if you're going to buy them individually, well, you're going to pay double the price, so you're getting a good deal. Now, I have most of those tools, but unfortunately, I buy 2 and 3 of the same tool, whether I give them away on this channel, give them away as gifts, other things like that. They're just a really good deal and something you really don't want to pass up. Let's go ahead and take a look at the new tools. Now that you've seen a lot of the deals, you need to see all the awesome new tools that are coming out. So let's go ahead and jump in. The first thing that we're going to take a look at is the brand new HP mud mixer. Now this thing is, well, you know what, it was pretty unexpected, but I guess it was pretty expected as well, both ways. But whenever we take a look at this mud mixer, you are going to notice a couple really good things about it. Now it goes up to 800 RPMs. I've already done a video fully on this. You can mix over 30 buckets for minimal downtime. You're going to be able to fit everything in here from 1/2-inch chucks, allowing variety for both on the job site and during projects at homes. Now you have 6 speeds. Now this is interesting because you have a dual handle design for ultimate control, so you're going to be able to use both hands. Now on the 6 speeds, you're going to have 3 different speeds and you're going to have a high and a low. Now that's going to give you the ultimate control that you're really looking at, because you can set what you need, the torque and the speed, depending on if you're doing mud, concrete, different things like that, because it can handle it. And I think that is the most important part of everything that we're talking about. Now it is 18 volts 1+, so this is going right along with those 280 tools, and now it's almost 300 tools, with all these brand new tools that are coming out, it does have a really good die-cast metal gear case. It has an actual key. So you're going to be able to use this key to lock it down so you get that really good tight fit. Now, that is just one of the tools. Let's move on. The next tool that we need to take a look at, they have come out with an 8 amp hour 18 volt battery. Now this is huge. They already have a 9 hour. This is an 8 hour. Now they're changing this because they're also introducing the 12 amp hour battery. This is a huge deal because they just introduced the power station, the brand new power station, which is running off the 18 volts, not just the 40 volt batteries. With this 12 amp hour battery, this is going to allow extended run times on so many of their tools. Now, this particular battery is going to be $239. That's MSRP for the 12 amp hour, and the price is $179 for the 8 amp hour battery. That's what you're going to expect, but the performance that you're going to be able to get out of this is very impressive. I can't wait to get one of these. Now, what I want you to do, Michael Dean over at Ryobi Freaks actually has received these batteries. He's going to be doing testing. So go ahead and over to the Ryobi Freaks page, follow him on TikTok as well so you can see the testing. He's the only one that I know so far that has these premium batteries with the 21700 cells. Now he's a battery guy, so he's going to be able to tell you all about it and really get into the batteries. Not to be left alone, they do have a brand new rapid charger that goes along with these. Now the rapid charger is going to cost you $89, but it's going to be able to do a lot. Now it does have a USB and USB-C on here, so you can charge all the little batteries that you want to as well. Cool thing about it is that it's going to charge 4 times faster than a typical charger, and that's what you want because you need to be able to get these batteries up and going quickly. Now we have a lot of tools to get through, so let's go ahead. 3 new USB 4 volt tools. What are they? Well, this is the power scrubber. Now this is really nice and it's compact. It's going to be able to get into your bucket and you're going to be able to get to the job site. You're going to be able to work. For cleaners, this is what you want because you don't want to carry a lot of stuff. 300 RPMs, it's IPX7 water resistant, and you're going to be able to go under 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. That's what that really means. This is a nice little tool. I think it's going to be great for the cleaning business and around the house. Now, they also have this really interesting tool. I didn't expect this, but it's a USB lithium soldering pin kit. It's going to cost you 69 bucks. It rapid heats up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit in under, get this, 2 minutes. Yeah, that's pretty good for a little battery. It's great for, little soldering boards on electronics, jewelry, audio equipment, different things like that, and it's fine point precision, right? So this is something that's portable that you're going to be able to use in the field. Now this is the new tool, USB lithium foam cutter kit. Why is this so important? Well, it's 99 bucks, but this is for that hobbyist that you're really going to be able to get in there and you're going to be able to shape things. Depending on what you're doing and how you're doing it, you are going to be able to use this, and it's going to be really fun for you to be able to use it as well. High temperatures at 520 degrees Fahrenheit. The low temperature settings at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. They have an all new tow behind dump cart for the riding mowers. Now this thing is actually really nice because it pivots. It's 7.5 cubic feet. MSRP is for $279. You can load a lot into there and then you can dump it really quick, but it fits really great behind the mower. Now I actually have this and I've done a quick video, but I'm going to do a full review. So hang on, watch my channel, and you're going to be able to see how this actually performs. Now it has these nice little slots in there that you can put boards and extend it up there. So for leaves and different things, you can really maximize the capacity of the cart. Now moving on, they have released an 18 volt glue gun as well. Heating up time, so you can rapid heat up in less than 3 minutes. This is going to cost you $39. Why is the hypercharger so exciting? Well, A, it's Bluetooth. You're going to be able to connect it to your phone. You're going to be able to see your charge time so you can get back to it. B, with all these new high-powered tools that you have coming out, you need the power to get that up and going. Now you have to cool down times for your batteries, but charging them back up, especially an 8 amp hour battery, you're going to be able to get that done with no problem. Now, it's going to cost you $179, but it charges the 40-volt, 12-amp-hour battery in 1 hour. No. Let's put that in perspective. A 12-amp-hour, 40-volt battery in just 1 hour. On a regular charger, that could take you 3 to 4 hours. I mean, I've done it. I know. I have the batteries. In 1 hour. That's going to be able to get you back. I mean, in fact, you're going to be using that battery longer than you're going to be charging it. And that is the type of scenario that you want. Minimal downtime. Maximize your productivity, because you want to get back to your family and doing other things that's really enjoyable to you. Well, this is kind of like the tool belt power pack. You can put 2 different batteries on there, and it goes to a whip, and that goes to a little case that connects just like a battery, and that's going to give you double the runtime. That's going to cost you $199 for that right there. You know, you're not too far off from the backpack, which houses 3 batteries. One big thing that just came out, this is the brand new spot cleaner. The spot cleaner, Jay Sarkar over at Ryobi, he released it. He did a very good video on telling you all the details. Why is it so important to have a really good spot cleaner? Well, if you've watched my channel, you know I have 7 kids. No. I get it. It's shocking. But I have 7 kids, and they're all little. I have 2 dogs, and there's 2 of us. So all in all, we have 11 living things in our house. Now the dogs, they're older, so they have a lot of accidents on the carpet. I have, let's see, an 11-month-old, a 2-year-old, a 4-year-old, a 5-year-old, a 10, 11, and 12-year-old. They're messy. It's insane around here. And we clean the carpet probably 3 times a month. Now with the spot cleaner, that reduces, and I can really get in there and just clean the carpet very quickly, and that's what I need to do most of the time, is get in there and clean that dang carpet, because we don't want the stains to set in. Last but most certainly not least, this is the brand new 1800 watt power station. It has 3000 starting watts. It can power very sensitive electronics because it does pure sine wave technology. It's ideal for indoor and outdoor. Now listen, you can have this indoor and you do not need to have any type of worry for emissions. You don't need to store it outside. Power everything right there. It can even power your refrigerator for 10 hours. Now this seems great and everything else. Now this does have an internal battery and you do need to charge it that way. Now some people look at that and say, why? Well, here's the big great thing about this. Pass-through charging. What is pass-through charging? Pass-through charging is you can charge the actual power station while you're discharging it or you're using it on something else. Why is that so important? Well, one big reason. If you have no power or you're on a campsite, you can hook up a solar panel to this particular power station and charge it as you're using it. That means you don't have to hot swap. You don't need to lose your battery power or lose your power source. You have continuous power and you can maintain the level of the power source at all times. Now, one of the great things about that is it's going to help you in numerous situations that you may not be well aware of now, but you can be well aware of it very soon in the future as soon as you buy one of these. Now, it is going to cost a little bit. It retails or MSRPs for $11.99. That's $1,200. The model numbers are YI1000. Now everybody, we have taken a big journey through the sales, the new tools, and that's only the month of June. Ryobi has been innovating and they come out with so many new tools so rapidly. Their deployment and their marketing must be absolutely insane to be able to do this. And by insane, I mean very talented. Now, I actually do know them over there. Great people. They have been a big supporter of mine and the groups over at Ryobi Rebels, which I admin for that really awesome group. Good job, guys, over on the Facebook groups. And I am big fans, and I am actually really good friends with Ryobi Freaks as well, and Ryobi Tool users. Brandon, you guys are awesome over there. But it's one big community, and that's what we're doing. We're here for a community. I'm here to share some of the really good tool deals, some of the really cool and awesome tools, new technologies, new innovations that are coming out. And that's what I do with my YouTube channel as well, is we like to share all that and bring it full circle for everyone to see. And everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And if you'd like to share it, that would help out me and it would help out the channel and spread the word of some of the really cool stuff coming down the line. And you want people to save money, so share the video. I dare you. I double dog dare you. And please subscribe. I can't wait to see you in the next video. And until next time, everyone, take care. See you around.